Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC, wants consumers to complain more this year. The agency argues that merchants continue to sell products with poor quality because consumers aren't making reports. This against the backdrop of increased criticism that customer service in Jamaica is substandard. The CAC now arguing that they can't act if the incidents aren't reported. Between January to November last year, the Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC, received 1,550 complaints. Of that number, the agency was able to resolve 1,279. But communications specialist at the CAC, Dorothy Campbell, says despite the noise being made, consumers aren't complaining enough.
We don't get enough complaints. Based on the breaches that we know exist in the marketplace, we should be getting more complaints. But consumers don't bother.
She's pleading with consumers to use all the channels available, noting that the agency is also making it easier to register a complaint.
And so we are trying to encourage consumers to take on the emails, post on Facebook, call us, walk into our Mobile, Mandeville or Trafalgar Road office and complain. Tell us where the breaches are, what they are, and who are the offenders, and we will investigate and seek to remedy them. But we need more complaints.
The request from the CAC comes ahead of the season when the agency receives its most complaints, and the agency is hoping that it will be able to resolve more cases this year.
But what we do know is that after the high shopping season in January, February, that's when the complaints start rolling in. A lot of it buyer's remorse, or maybe persons are too hurried in their transactions to make sure that they do their due diligence. So we find that there are errors there.
The CAC was able to secure $18.5 million in refunds and compensation last year.